Okay, so I'll be reiterating some of the points we made earlier, and then refute some of my opposition claims. So, first, we talked about health risks of going into space, and according to the advantages and disadvantages of manned and remote space missions, when astronauts or cosmonauts fly into space, they can experience a number of illnesses, including immune deficiency, collapse of bone and muscle tissue, decompression sickness, and radiation poisoning. In order to combat these problems, the National Space and Biomedical Research Institute conducts experiments on a regular basis with spaceflights to combat this. So in essence, they're making people go into space and get sick in order to find out why they're getting sick and to cure it. So it doesn't make sense to subject people to these illnesses in order to find a way to cure them. Instead, they should just not send the men into space, and therefore they just avoid the situation entirely. Also, we previously stated that manned space exploration is extremely expensive. And according to manned versus unmanned space exploration, to date, more than 20 scientific organizations worldwide have come out against the space station and are recommending that the funds be used for more important unmanned missions. Because unmanned missions are so much cheaper, they can take the cost of one manned space exploration program and conduct 2 unmanned space exploration programs. Also, the unmanned space exploration programs are much more reliable. As computers become more advanced, more capable, and more reliable, robots of greater complexity will be built to handle even the most challenging assignments. The time for humans to explore space may have come, and indeed may have gone forever. Also, my opposition states that the manned space exploration, they created a lot of products that were beneficial to society, but so was unmanned space exploration. So according to manned versus unmanned space exploration, while shuttle launches and the International Space Station get all the media coverage, these small, relatively inexpensive unmanned missions are doing important science in the background. And for example, one of them is the robotic arm, which is now altered so that surgeons can take this arm and use it to get into places that they can't go by hand. They can do more delicate surgical procedures now. And so, in conclusion, we believe that we should not increase funding for manned space exploration. 1, because manned space exploration is so expensive. 2, it risks the health of those going up into space. And thirdly, because unmanned space exploration is creating just as many benefits as manned space.